ZefSci specializes in LCMS, instrument service, maintenance and compliance in the US, Canada and worldwide.
And I think the reason the company is successful is because all the people, all the functions and departments are solely focused on serving our customers. I think scientists today in laboratories are looking for ZefSci to be responsive and to send expert field service engineers to the laboratories to perform repairs on a timely basis.
You know, we have people across the globe, so that gives like a special feeling of working with the different cultures. So this gives me like a family kind of feeling.
Our team provides our customers the dedicated account managers like myself needed to achieve the productivity of their labs.
Our core focus is our customers. We take the necessary time to build relationships and trust so that our customers can have peace of mind and ease on their equipment so they can focus on their science.
We treat our customer, no matter big or small, as equal. And so we pay attention to the customer's problem and we try to fix it as soon as we can.
We're all about communication. We want to talk to the customer and let them know things are happening, when I'll arrive, if we have a parts delay, or when the job is finished, and we can completely let them know how things are finished up and done.
Everyone at ZefSci is really focused on delighting customers and serving customers. And I think our secret sauce is really world-class engineers with decades of experience fixing SciEx, Thermo, and other mass spectrometry platforms. I think that's why more than 95% of our contract customers renew with us every year, and we become their trusted partners.